Hi everybody, welcome to MKV's Max Coaching for Class 10 students. Let's begin exercise 5.2 in this video, students. In this exercise, we are going to find the nth term of AP. So we have already discussed the formulas and concept in our previous video. So nth term of AP is AN. We call nth term of AP as AN, and the formula for AN is A plus N minus 1 into D. And in this first Roman first question, they have given A as 7, D as 3, N as 8. N is the number of terms, D is the common difference, A is the first term. And you need to find the AN. Just substitute the known values in this formula so that you will get the AN value. So always replace this N with this N. AN is A8. So in this series, we have 8 terms. So A8 you are going to find. That is the A8 is the nth term here. So AN is A8 and A is 7 plus N is 8 minus 1 into D is 3. So 8 minus 1 is 7. So 21 plus 7 will give you A8 as 28. So nth term of AP is 28 in this first question. So for second question, they have given A value, N value, and AN also they have given us 0. You need to find D. So whatever they have given, just substitute in the formula and find out the unknown value D here. Okay. So instead of AN, you are substituting 0 and minus 18 for A. N is 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 is 90 you will get. So 90 is equal to 18. D is equal to 2. And for the third question, D is given as minus 3. AN is minus 5 and N is 18. You need to find the value of A. So just substitute the same type. You just have to use the AN formula, which is A plus N minus 1 into D, and whatever the known values they have given, just substitute in this formula and get the unknown value. So minus 5 is equal to A plus 17 into minus 3, right? So just multiply it and A is equal to 46 here. For the fourth problem, A and D is given and A is given. Number of terms you need to find it out. So always when you have these known values, just substitute. So minus 18.9. First step is to change this to left hand side. So take this to left hand side. Minus 18.9 goes that side as plus 18.9, and you keep the n minus 1 as it is and send this 2.5 to that side. Since it is in multiplication, it goes that side as division. So n minus 1 equal to 22.5 by 2.5. So you have to divide it. Since it is in decimal, you can also convert by multiplying 10 by 10. So multiply and divide it by 10, you get 225 by 25. So 25 nines are 225. So n minus 1 is 9. So n is equal to 9 plus 1, which is 10. Okay. So here for the fifth question, A is 3.5, D is 0, N is 105 is given. So find the AN. So just substitute the value. AN we have to find it out. So keep the AN as it is. And N, instead of N, you have to substitute this 105. A 105. Okay, so here I didn't substitute, but you substituted. So A 105 is equal to A is 3.5 plus 105 minus 1 into 0. So you'll be getting A 105 as 3.5. So 105th term, that is nth term value is 3.5. Okay. So next, second Roman, find the 30th term of an AP. So always remember, students, find the 30th term of an AP which means we have totally 30 terms are there. We are going to deal with the 30 terms in this question. So always take this 30th term as total 30 terms. So N will be 30. Okay. So they also given series. From this series you can get the first term A as 10 and D is 7 minus 10 minus 3. Now what you need to find the 30th term. 30th term is the last term, no? Last term we call it as nth term, that is AN. AN, you need to find out the AN value. So that is they have given 30th term of an AP. So keep the 30th term as AN, and totally 30 terms are there now. So you're taking N as 30. Okay, so substitute AN formula. A30 is equal to 10 plus 30 minus 1 into minus 3. So you'll be getting 10 minus 87, which is minus 77. This is the option C value, minus 77. Okay. Second question, find the 11th term of AP. So here N is 11, right? So find the 11th term means you're going to deal with 11 terms. So total number of terms is 11. So N equal to 11. And the 11th term is the nth term. Okay. So you're going to find the last term, that is nth term, 11th term. Okay. So A is minus 3, D is minus 1 by 2 plus 3 will give you 5 by 2. Okay. So in the AN formula, just substitute A 11. 11th term, you're going to find it out. So A is minus 3, D, N is 11 and D is 5 by 2. Substitute. You can cancel it and you get this A 11 as 22, which is option B. So third Roman letter, from the third Roman letter, you're going to find the missing terms. Okay. So 2 comma and the second term is missing and 26 is given. So we know the series of AP, right? A comma A plus D comma A plus 2D. It goes on like this. So compare the series with the given terms. So A is 2, right? A plus D is missing. But A plus 2D is given. A plus 2D is 26. So whenever the missing terms are there, no, you just compare this with the series and you know the A value. Just substitute the A value here. Since A plus 2D is 26, instead of A, you can substitute 2. 2 plus 2D 26. So D value will be 12. So once you get A and D, you can just substitute in the series form, you get the missing term, right? So A plus D means 2 plus 12, which is 14. So the missing term is 14 here. So whenever the missing term is given, no, you need to find out the series of AP first. In what is given in the series of AP, A and D. So you need to find out A and D first. A is directly, we know, 2, and to find D, you're taking this third term. A plus 2D is 26 and find the D, and any missing term you can just use this series and get the missing term. So let's continue in the next video. Kindly subscribe to our channel to get more videos on important question types of Adi Sharma and previous year question papers. So stay connected to our channel, students. See you next class. Bye bye.